Hello guys, this is my first video in English, so I'll try to do my best here. Today I'm compiling my new security ops kernel. I add pipewire and trying to create the best Gnu Guix operating system for performance and security too. So here my configuration. I will show you here. Well, my kernel is the latest kernel Linux, so I add many flags for hardening in my system based on Clear Linux, Xamod, and ESPP kernel self-protection. So I do many tests, system comparison, and my security ops Gnu Guix system, it's one of the most secure operating systems ever made, because, well, you know, Gnu Guix is the best operating system in my opinion. So you can control all your hardware and software, and this is incredible. I have the library here too, and I'm trying to create the best for minimalism and for performance and security. And that's it. Install Gnu Guix and become a hacker, because many users today trying to be a hacker, but many people don't know the hacking word, the hacker word. Basically, it's for a people that can create something with intelligence and create and people that can use creativity to create something. I think this is the concept, the first concept of hacking or hacker. So here in my country, many users just download Kali Linux or Parrot or and trying to invading or be a bad guy, just just trying to hacking some wireless networks or just this. Here in the channel, I'm trying to show you the best things that you the best things you need to know to be secure. So that's it. My channel is, I think this one of, well, I think our channel is unique, because I never know a user like us, like me, because I'm trying to do the best on hardening and performance, and I ever need to control my hardware and software. So that's it. And I think other people don't be so maybe don't have so determination for this. So I think all the people can do this, but all the people don't try this. And that's it. Well, many people today are using Windows or Debian or Fedora or and try Gnu Guix, and be free. That's all. It's an amazing operating system, and I hope you like. That's it for today. Have a nice day, and expect us.